Open YouTube and notice how many short videos explain simple ideas in seconds. Most of those creators are not experts, yet some of them make money consistently. That happens because attention is everywhere, but clear solutions are rare. Beginners are overwhelmed. They want simple explanations and practical outcomes, not long videos or hype. Here is the full workflow from zero to getting paid. First, choose one narrow problem, not a broad topic. One specific issue beginners repeatedly struggle with. For example, organizing online income ideas, tracking freelance work, or structuring a simple online business system. If the problem can be explained in one sentence, it is usable. Next, create a new YouTube channel focused only on that problem. The channel is not about you, it is about the solution. Every video addresses one confusion, one mistake, or one missing step related to that problem. The content format is short videos only. Each video explains one idea clearly. No opinions, no storytelling, no motivation, just explanation. Short videos are pushed to new viewers automatically. That removes the need for subscribers at the beginning and allows discovery from day one. Each video follows the same structure. State the problem, explain why it exists, clarify the correct approach, end with a simple takeaway. Post consistently. One short video per day is enough. The goal is not virality. The goal is repeated usefulness. While posting content, create one simple digital product. This is not a course. It is not a long ebook. It is a small asset that saves time or removes confusion. Examples include a template, a tracker, a checklist, or a structured workflow. The product should directly match the problem your videos explain. If the content helps beginners organize online income ideas, the product organizes everything for them. It should take a few hours to create, not weeks. Price the product between $5 and $29. Low pricing reduces hesitation and increases conversions. At this stage, proof and volume matter more than high margins. Upload the product to a simple digital storefront. Add one neutral line in the channel description pointing to the resource. No selling language, no urgency, no pressure. The videos attract people with the problem. The product provides the complete solution. That is how sales happen naturally. At first, nothing happens. Then one video performs slightly better. Someone clicks the link. One sale comes in. That first sale validates the system. This video is part of a series on Make Money Online in 2026, explaining real methods from zero to getting paid. If you want the next method, subscribe and continue with the series.